Hey everyone, today's video is going to go over how to accept a mobile check capture on today's work. So here you can see that our technician is at Mr. Ben Jerome's house. We do have an estimate here that we have sold for a future job, but then if we look at the invoice, we have done work today. We have on the invoice that we have cleared an internal stoppage in the toilet. The technician has put in his notes, and now we are going to make a payment, right? So up here on the pay button, please go ahead and click that. Now where you're going to choose the payment type, you hit the arrow, and we're going to select mobile check capture. So since the customer is paying for work that we did today, the check amount, should match the total of the invoice. All right, so the total of the invoice is $225 today. The only time this should be different is if we're collecting a deposit, which I will show you on another video. So we're going to collect for the full balance of work that we did today. And you can put a note if you'd like. You don't have to. And what we're going to do is we're going to click Scan Check. It's going to first confirm the amount of the check, right? If there's any discrepancies, then your mobile deposit will be unsuccessful. So, for instance, if the check is for $224.39, you have to change it in this field here, up here. All right, so verify that your check is for the correct payment. We're going to hit Next. Now the ServiceTitan is going to ask us to scan the front and back of this check. All right, so go ahead and select Scan Front. It will immediately open a camera, and it shows you which way to put the check. So I have a fake check here. And what you're going to do is hold steady, hold over the check, and there is this progress line down here, right? It's not going to work because this is a fake check. It's going to say we're unable to capture the image. Please align to the guide and snap the photo manually, right? So, oops, so you can try to auto capture, but if you align this to the guides it gives you, it should go ahead and accept it. And then it will ask you to do the same with the back of the check. All right, once you do both, you will see it will say like success, something like that. Now, it does give you some tips on here. When you hit scan, it does give you little notices. Let me lift it up and see if I can't get it to pop up. It says here, use dark background. Okay, it's realizing that it's hard to read this check. Use dark background. So in that case, pay attention to those things because if you have like a white check and you are trying to accept um, a white check on a white background, it's not going to show up. So put it on your jeans, put it on a table, something of that nature. But you will be asked to scan the front and the back and go from there. So I'd love for you all to start using this. It's going to make things a lot easier on the entire team. So again, that is the mobile check capture. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know, and we'll go from there. Thank you, guys.